US President Joe Biden said on Tuesday that he was unsure if he would be seeking re-election next year were Republican rival Donald Trump not also trying for a second term. Biden's comments at a fundraising event in Massachusetts on Tuesday come as he contends with low approval ratings and concerns among some Democrats about his age and ability to win another 4 years in the Oval Office. If Trump wasn't running, I'm not sure I would be running, but we cannot let him win. The 81-year-old Democrat told a 2024 election campaign fundraiser in Weston, Massachusetts. Biden praised the powerful voice of former Republican lawmaker Liz Cheney, who warned on Sunday that the US would be sleepwalking into dictatorship if twice impeached former President Trump returns. However, recent polls have cast doubt on Biden's ability to beat Trump, showing the former Republican president with an edge in national polling and surveys of some battleground states. Voters broadly disapprove of Biden's handling of the economy and are concerned about his age. Biden's comments also show that he was wrestling with the decision to run for re-election, a typically standard move for most first-term presidents. Biden also mentioned The Atlantic magazine outlining what it said were the threats posed by a second Trump term, one of the three major US media outlets to issue similar warnings in recent days, along with the Washington Post and New York Times. During an early fundraiser in Boston, Biden cited Trump's increasingly extreme language on the campaign trail, including calling his opponents vermin. Biden said that echoed the language used in Germany in the 1930s when Adolf Hitler's Nazis were on the rise. During his 2020 presidential campaign, Biden often mentioned that his decision to run was due in part to then-President Trump's handling of issues, including a 2017 white nationalist rally in Charlottesville, Virginia. Now Biden's campaign is again positioning Trump as a danger to democracy itself. Trump, who faces criminal charges over his efforts to reverse his 2020 election loss, has painted Biden as a dangerous autocrat. Joe Biden is a real dictator. Trump responded in a post on his conservative Truth Social network on Tuesday.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.